Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today's lecture we will discuss about latch and unlatch condition. In my previous lecture I already discussed about holding and breaking concept. So if you do not watch my previous video, so please visit on my YouTube channel on playlist basic studio 5000 basics programming and learn from basic videos to step by step one videos for more understanding. So let's get started. Latch and unlatch concept. So main program. Here see interlock concept. Before interlock concept, holding and breaking concept. So in this lecture we will discuss about only uh, latch and unlatch. Simply take a new rung and here click on bit and click on bit, take a one and now and take a latch and take one another rung and take one another and no and unlatch. So I already created tag and use tag from 19 to use tag from 19. So sorry, so input number 19 and it is your input number 19 to input number 20 and input number 20 as input and output number already used output number 13, so output number 13 or output number 14. So it is a latch and unlatch. So I have required two input for we will doing input number 20 to latch output number 14 and input number 21 to unlatch output number 14 same. Here it is must know about latch and unlatch both are using for same output. So let's download the program in Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. So click on select communication path and which is already discussed about how to download the Studio 5000 Logic Designer. So click on slot number and yeah, so Studio 5000 Logix Emulate has been opened the software and click on download. So download has been start. Let's see here controlling save recover file downloading cancel download. So it is must to know before download any program we have must to know verify the controller because we help to the check any error or not. So here 0 error 1 warning and 0 error is 0. here see ready to controller, connect controller and downloading. Click on download. So again downloading is cancelled. Right click and click on toggle. So we can see when output is latch, when we click on, when we select input number 20 as an input and output number 14 as an LED. So when a select the toggle, when a select the toggle, so output number 14 has been turned on. So here we can see we have not required to latch, we have not required to latch, we have not required to hold the output for holding condition. But here is one more interesting, if I have two input, okay, so if I have two input and from one input select unlatch, so what will be happen? If one input select unlatch, so what will be happen? So when I select first unlatch, so what will be happen? And after select unlatch, I have required to latch, but when we select unlatch condition, so we cannot do able to the latch. Why? Because output already latched, output is already latched. So for this reason we cannot able to the latch from input number 20. Example, but if input number 21 unlatched, so easily output number 14 is latched. So thank you for watching my videos. If you learn from my videos, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel and share your friends for better understanding. And next, if you have any topic related to Studio 5000, FactoryTalk View and FactoryTalk View tools, any query, so please comment on my comment on comment box. And if you sorry, if you require any interview books or interview content, sorry, if you require interview question answer PPT, so please comment in comment box. And thank you for watching my videos and have a great day.